Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually making my way back to the launch end of the trip now. I'm not sure if I recorded the intro due to some GoPro difficulties, but we did get on the water. We got on the bite, and it turned out to be a pretty awesome day. So y'all stay tuned and hopefully y'all enjoy the action. All right, y'all. So here we are. Super Guggen move. Caught this, sight casted this redfish. It was about 5 or 6 of them rolling together, and I really thought my camera was rolling, but I guess not. So either way, super solid redfish. Let me show him to you, and then we'll let him go after we measure him. Look at this redfish. Man, what a beauty. Y'all check this redfish out. Man. All right, let's get a measurement and we'll let him go. Man. Yeah, so I don't know at what point I turned off my camera, but that's terrible that I did not get this fish. That fight, man, it was so awesome. I watched him eat that lure. Let me see here. Dude, that is a 32, just over 32 inches right here. Man, y'all can see that. Dude, look at that. All right, let's let him go. Man, that was sick. Hopefully we can catch another one. All right, you ready? Here we go. Man, that water's cold. Let's let this guy go. Hold on, buddy. Here we go. Get these off. Send you on your way. One time I only brought one camera. Whew. Man, look at this. What a beauty. Thanks. You ready? Thanks for the fight. Man, stud redfish. All right, y'all, the setup we were using for that is actually 14-pound fluoro to a 1/8 ounce Texas-eyed jighead with a 3-inch Zman paddle tail in the Slam Shady gold color. Something tapped it. I don't think it was anything big. Just enough to foul it up. Not go work the edge of that. Something keeps grabbing it. It's a trout. It's a good sized one too. Come Might even keep one. There we go. Easy, dude. Man, might even keep this guy. I hooked him good. There we go. Let me measure him real quick, and then if he keeps, we'll string him up. String him up in this cold water. He is, let me see here. I'll mess this up. He is 15 and a half. I think I'm gonna actually let him go. A little bit on the small side, but thanks, buddy. He's gone. Heck yeah. Found some trout. Let's get back out of here. To try to back off from that spot. Up a little bit. Should need to move. There he is. Oh man. Just loosening the drag a little bit. Man, heck yeah, dude. This one's a little bit on the fatter side. All right. What a mess. Look at this. He is just over 15. We'll let him go. Come on, buddy. Nice. Thanks. He's gone. Man, nice little spot here. I need to actually thump that. What is this? Is this a dolphin? He snuck in here? He probably did. There he is. I knew he was chasing him. Man, you scoundrel. Well, might have to switch sides or something, push further to the back of the creek. That's where he's going. Man, look at this. Came in here and jacked my area up, dude. Ah, dang it. Here I thought I was gonna get on a good trout bite for a little bit. Alright, gonna be a little bit different color here. See if that helps us out any, or just never know. Alright, so here we are. You can also throw a chatterbait. Alright, with this dark color, water, I think I'm gonna go with something like this. Just never know. There we go. That looks pretty good. You just never know. Get some of these spots right here. Oh, dude, I missed that. Dude, he chomped at it. But I was sleeping because I looked away. Man, that was our shot right there. Man, so there was a redfish back here. It caught me lacking, dude. There's a redfish right here. There's a redfish behind me. Oh, I spooked them. Man, they were back here, dude. Look at that, just nothing but a dust trail. Yeah, man, looks like we're gonna turn it around. So I haven't seen a single redfish over here. Hey, let's ride. Let's ride, give it another shot back at the grassy area and make something happen. Nope. Something nibbled at it. Unless it was just kind of grass or needlefish. More tiny trout. There he is. Popped off, little trout. Now we'll throw that paddle tail here in a second. They're probably down deeper. Let's try that paddle tail next. Something tapping. He hit it before it even hit the bottom. That's a decent one too. That's a good trout right here, actually. Got him. Man, might take this guy home for dinner. check them out. Heck yes, dude. What a good day. Look at that. That's a good sized trout. Ooh, might let him go because he's a good sized one. We'll see here shortly. We'll see here. All right, buddy. You might be coming home. He is, ooh, he's 18. We're gonna take this guy home if he doesn't flop out. All right, y'all, here's this trout, man, 18-inch. We're gonna string him up, and then the water's pretty cold, so he'll be fine. I didn't bring any ice because I really didn't intend to keep fish, but I'm gonna take this one home for dinner. There he is. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Turned out to be an awesome day of fishing. Caught that good sized redfish. Unfortunately, didn't hit the record button on my GoPro. Super Googan move. But either way, got on a decent bite with some trout and managed to bring one home for dinner. So pretty awesome day. Once again, appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. Catch y'all next time.